So here we've got the new Morimoto XB LED fog light that fits the F-150s and the Super Duties. We're going to be installing it in the factory location. I've already removed the adjuster and the screw so you can see it just swivels. The way it connects is it's kind of like a friction mount on the sides, and these two little dots, these little pegs, they fit into holes, plastic kind of friction. They're kind of held in like this, so they pop in and they stay in place, and that's how they swivel up and down. Of course, the adjuster screw is out. Question is how to pop this out. This is by far the easiest way. I'm going to kind of jam in two. You can use a screwdriver. I prefer plastic tools. It's going to pop out the fog light a little bit easier. So honestly, the best way I found is just kind of press these all the way in, and you're going to see it pops out. I used to dig around and from the back try to get everything out, but it's extremely difficult. So as long as you do this, fog light pops out very, very easily. And here we've got it out. You're going to transfer over this little white screw set for the adjuster screw into the new Morimoto fog light assembly, put in the screw, and just pop this back in. So now literally this just pops in. There's no pressure. Once it goes in, it's going to seat properly. So if you have any questions, let us know.